I'm gonna put those here now and see what happens. Okay, I put everything back. I changed the box. Let's go and see what we have again. Before this was clicking all the time. I don't know if the fuses are no good or anything, but let's try one more. Okay, we are in here now. I'm gonna try to turn the key on. ID or the key is not here. Okay, the key is outside. Okay, now everything is connected, so let's go to the engine. Let me turn the key on. Ignition is on. Engine, no communication. Transmission, no communication. Airbag, BCM, that the one, the fuse box or the one inside, no communication. Intelligent power control module, IPDM, no communication. So doesn't make sense. This car have a really crazy, it have electrical problem completely, need to be reviewed, and communication must be established before anything could go to the next level. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.